Hi guys and welcome to 123 My IT. Let me ask you this, when was the last time you cleaned your phone? If your answer was never or rarely, then now's probably a good time to start. Apple has just recently updated their website on what you can do to clean or disinfect your device. So I wanted to show you guys how to do that. To disinfect your device, Apple says you can use a 70% isopropyl alcohol wipe or Clorox disinfectant wipes. They also recommend warm soapy water and apply these with a soft lint-free microfiber cloth. I would recommend warm soapy water over disinfectant alcohol for 3 reasons. The first reason is you don't know what chemicals are in the wipes, so do your research, especially if you have asthma. Seriously, it only takes a Google search to find out. Second, those chemicals could burn certain parts of your phone. And the last reason, wipes are just not really that good for the environment. Now to clean your phone, if you have a case, just remove it. Here I have an iPhone case from Element. I will put a product link in the description below. I will show you how to disinfect and clean your case as well. When cleaning your device, what you don't want to do is wipe too hard or excessively. Use a soft lint-free cloth. Don't use paper towels. Make sure your device is unplugged from any cables. And don't use sprays or anything that can get into the ports on your device. Alright, so just take a disinfectant wipe and gently wipe the device over. You just need to apply enough so it's moist, not wet. And you should be able to see the moisture that I have applied to the screen and cameras. Make sure you lightly do the sides of the device as well. If I turn the screen off, you should be able to see the disinfectant on the screen. Okay, once you're finished, just sit your device down for 4 to 5 minutes. This will give the disinfectant some time to dry and also kill any viruses or bacteria on your phone. If you have soapy warm water and a cloth, the process is the same again. Just apply some soapy warm water to your cloth and then start wiping your device over. Again, you should see that the phone is moist, not wet, and you should also make sure you do the back and sides as well. If you have lint or dust in the power, speaker, camera or earpiece ports, you can very gently try to clean these with a SIM eject tool or paperclip. Just be very careful not to touch or put any force on the inside of the ports. Very gently dislodge the lint or dust, and then you can use a moist cotton tip to help you remove the dust from the port. The process is the same for your case. However, be careful when using alcohol wipes on your case, as some cases might not like the alcohol wipes. I suggest doing some spot testing with the alcohol wipes first in a part of the case that you won't see. If it works fine, just wipe the rest of your case over the same way you did with your phone. With soapy warm water, you should be fine to use it on your case, so no issues there. Don't forget, you can use the SIM eject tool and the cotton tips to get into those harder places. Once disinfected, you can put your phone case down for 4 minutes to dry. The last idea I had might seem extreme. However, if you are working in an extreme environment like a healthcare worker, it might be helpful. If you are going into an area where you know there might be the potential for infection, you could also try putting an airtight Ziploc bag on your device. So disinfect your phone like I showed you first, and then once it's dry, pop it inside the Ziploc bag and seal it up. You can still use the device from inside the bag. And then when you leave the hospital or the infected zone, you can remove it from the bag. If you are in this situation, it might be a good idea to disinfect the device again after you remove it from the bag anyway. Guys, don't forget to check out my other videos such as transfer data from Android to iPhone in 2020. And if you have any other tips on phone cleaning, leave them in the comments section below. Also, can you do me a favour and hit the subscribe button and smash the bell icon?